Welcome to our channel. Learning Kubernetes with Minikube provides a safe local environment where you can experiment with container orchestration without needing cloud resources or complex infrastructure. Step 1. Install Docker Desktop if you haven't already, as Minikube requires a container runtime to create and manage Kubernetes clusters. Step 2. Download and install Minikube from the official GitHub releases page, choosing the appropriate installer for your operating system. Step 3. Install Kubectl, the command line tool for interacting with Kubernetes clusters, following the installation instructions for your platform. Step 4. Start your first Minikube cluster by running the Minikube start command in your terminal, which creates a single-node Kubernetes cluster on your machine. Step 5. Verify your cluster is running by using Kubectl getNodes command to see your Minikube node listed and ready. Step 6. Deploy your first application by creating a simple deployment using Kubectl create deployment, starting with a basic nginx container. Step 7. Expose your deployment as a service using Kubectl expose command, making your application accessible within the cluster. Step 8. Access your application using Minikube service command, which opens your application in a web browser. Step 9. Learn essential Kubectl commands for managing your applications, including getting pod status, viewing logs, and describing resources. Step 10. Experiment with Kubernetes. Features like scaling deployments, updating images, and managing configurations using config maps and secrets. Your local Kubernetes learning environment is ready for hands-on practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.